everyone, welcome to another episode of my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you mathematics, and the topic we'll be considering for today is perimeter of plane figures. Today we are going to look at the perimeters of circle. Perimeter of circle. What is a circle? A circle is any round shaped figure. A circle is any round shaped figure. The perimeter of a circle is the distance around the circle. The perimeter of a circle is the distance around the circle. And the perimeter of a circle is otherwise known as circumference. So this is a circle on the board. A circle, while the circumference is the distance around the circle, while the line is the diameter. The line is the diameter, and diameter is made up of two radius. In the diameter, we have two radius. Now, to find the perimeter of a circle or circumference of a circle, when given the radius, when you are given the radius from the question, the formula you are going to use is circumference or perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. When you are given radius, you use the formula, which is your circumference or perimeter is equal to 2 pi r. To find, if you are given diameter, then you use your circumference or perimeter is equal to pi d, while your d is the diameter and your pi, the value of pi is constant, is 22/7. It's always constant, which is 22/7. So let's look at some examples. The first example from the board says, find the circumference of a circle with radius 3.5 centimeter. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius 3.5 centimeter. From this question, as you can see, you are given radius here and not the diameter. So you are going to use the first formula, which is 2 pi r. The circumference is equal to 2 pi r, and you know your pi to be 22/7, while your radius is 3.5 from the question. You equate the value to the formula. So then your circumference is equal to 2 times 22/7 times 3.5. How many 3.5 are we going to see in 7? That is 2. Because if you say 3.5 plus 3.5 is going to give you 7. That's why I say 3.5 here 1 and 3.5 here 2. These 2, we also cancel these 2. These 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So you are left with 1 times 22 times 1, and 1 times 22 times 1 will equally give you 22. So your circumference here is equal to 22 centimeter. The second example says, find the perimeter of a circle given the diameter to be 14 centimeter. If you can see from this question, you are given diameter and not radius. So from this question, you are going to use the second formula, which is your circumference or perimeter is equal to pi d, where your pi is equal to 22/7 and your diameter is what? 14 centimeter. Then it will be 22/7 times 14/1. 7 here 1. How many 7 are you going to see in 14? That is 2. Then your circumference here is 22 times 2, which is equal to 44 centimeter. Don't forget, before I go, circumference is the same thing as perimeter, because you can see in a question that you should find the perimeter of a circle. So it's the same thing as the circumference of a circle. Use either of the formula. Calculate the perimeter of circles with a radius 3.5 centimeter, that is 1/2 centimeter, and b diameter 6.3 centimeter. Use either of the two methods. Do it at your spare time and put the solution at the comment section. So before I go, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.